Black Friday isn't just a shopping day, it's a battlefield for the ultimate deals. But what if I told you there's a secret formula to walk away with everything you want while spending less than you imagined? No chaos, no stress, just pure winning. Don't go anywhere, because today, we're revealing the 3 secrets that will completely transform the way you conquer Black Friday. Ready to shop smarter, faster, and better? Let's explore. The first secret to winning Black Friday is all about preparation. You can't just wake up on the morning of and hope to catch a good deal. The early bird truly gets the worm here, and that means you need a strategy in place. Take some time before Black Friday to assess what you actually need and what you can live without. This way, you're not getting distracted by every shiny object on the sales floor. Once you've identified your must-haves, prioritize them. Make a list of items, from the most important to the least, and map out where you can find them. Research stores and websites, and make note of the specific deals they're offering. Some retailers might release early deals in the days leading up to Black Friday, so having a detailed plan helps you avoid last-minute scrambling. Don't forget to set a budget. Black Friday can be overwhelming, and it's easy to get carried away in the excitement of big discounts. Knowing exactly how much you want to spend on each item, and sticking to it, will save you from buyer's remorse later on. It's about finding balance between scoring the best deals and not going overboard. Also, timing is key. Some deals go live at midnight, others at 5 a.m., or even throughout the weekend. If you're heading to physical stores, make sure you know their opening hours, and if you're shopping online, understand when flash sales begin. This gives you an edge when others are still waking up to the chaos. Don't forget to have a backup plan. Certain items may sell out quickly, and the last thing you want is to walk away empty-handed. Knowing where else to find those items, whether it's another store or a different website, gives you peace of mind and ensures you're prepared for any scenario. The second secret to maximizing your Black Friday experience lies in early access deals and pre-sales. While the official day might be when the crowds hit, the smart shopper knows that deals can begin weeks in advance. Many stores and online retailers offer pre-sale discounts or early bird deals for those who sign up for email alerts or loyalty programs. Getting on these mailing lists early gives you an inside track to limited time offers and the ability to snag deals before the public. Often, stores will give their most dedicated customers first dibs on discounts or exclusive offers, so being on these lists ensures you're the first to know about these savings. It's the perfect way to secure a deal on those popular items before they're gone. Another great strategy is to pay attention to early Black Friday sales in the weeks leading up to the big day. Many retailers will hold Black Friday week or Cyber Week sales that span several days, giving you the opportunity to catch some great deals without fighting the crowds. Some of the best discounts might be available earlier than you think. For online shoppers, this is where carting early can be beneficial. Some stores will let you add items to your cart ahead of time and will automatically apply discounts when the sale goes live. If you're using a store's app, you might get access to these deals even before they are made available to the general public. Don't forget about the importance of tracking deal announcements. Websites and newsletters dedicated to Black Friday deals often announce sales schedules and updates well in advance. By subscribing to these, you get notified when sales go live, saving you time and ensuring you don't miss out on your top items. The final secret to mastering Black Friday shopping is to stay calm and focused. With the flurry of discounts, flashing banners, and crowded aisles, it's easy to get swept up in the excitement and forget your original plan. But the truly successful Black Friday shopper is one who can stay centered, even in the chaos. The first step is to breathe. Yes, it sounds simple, but taking a few deep breaths before diving into your shopping can clear your mind and help you stay focused on your goals. This is especially important when you're faced with a crowded store or website and a time-sensitive deal. Don't forget to staying calm leads to better decisions. Another powerful tactic is practicing patience. Just because something is in high demand doesn't mean you have to rush into a purchase. In fact, it might be worth waiting until the crowds thin out, or the pressure of a ticking clock fades away. By being patient, you're able to make better choices, compare prices, and avoid impulse buys. Mindfulness also comes into play when dealing with checkout. Whether in-store or online, it's important to double-check your purchases and ensure you're not making hasty decisions. Take a moment to evaluate if you truly need something or if it's just an emotional reaction to the discounts. Avoid overspending by practicing the mindfulness of asking yourself, is this item worth it? Don't forget to enjoy the process. Black Friday doesn't have to be a stressful experience. By staying mindful, calm, and intentional, you can take control of your shopping experience and emerge victorious with the best deals, all while keeping your mental state in check. In today's digital age, social media isn't just for socializing, it's a powerful tool for scoring Black Friday deals. Retailers love using their social platforms to alert followers about flash sales, exclusive discounts, and giveaways. If you're not already following your favorite stores on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, now is the time to start. Set up notifications for posts from the brands or stores you're interested in. That way, you'll be alerted the moment they announce deals, and you won't miss out on those exclusive offers. Many companies post time-sensitive deals that last only a few hours, so this tactic can give you a significant edge. Moreover, brands often have influencer partnerships that help spread the word about special deals. By following influencers in your niche who collaborate with the stores you're eyeing, you can get insider tips, discount codes, or even early access to sales. Influencers can sometimes offer exclusive promo codes that you won't find anywhere else, giving you a major advantage. Another key advantage of social media is that many stores offer social media-only discounts. Sometimes, the best sales are kept under wraps for their followers. Whether it's a code shared exclusively through Instagram stories or a live giveaway, following brands on social media can help you unlock extra savings. Don't forget about social proof. Social media allows you to interact with other shoppers. If you're eyeing a particular deal, check social media for reviews or feedback from others who might have already purchased the product. This can help you avoid impulse buys and focus on the items that are truly worth your money. Price matching is a highly effective strategy when hunting for Black Friday deals, and many retailers offer this service. Essentially, if you find the same product at a lower price elsewhere, some stores will match that price, allowing you to save even more. But it's crucial to research this in advance and know which stores offer price matching. Make sure you have a clear understanding of the store's price match policy. Some stores may only price match for products that are identical, brand, model, color, etc., while others might offer more flexibility. Make a list of stores that provide this service and check their terms to make sure you're getting the best deal. If you're in store, bring proof of the lower price, like a screenshot from the competitor's website. Rain checks are another great tool, especially if the item you want is sold out during Black Friday. Essentially, a rain check allows you to purchase the item later at the sale price. This is particularly helpful for high-demand items like electronics or toys that might sell out within hours. By requesting a rain check, you guarantee that you won't miss the deal, even if the store runs out of stock. It's important to be prepared and act quickly, though. Not all stores will offer rain checks, and some may have specific rules around using them during holiday sales. Check ahead of time to know your options. You'll be able to shop more calmly, knowing that if an item runs out, you have a backup plan. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Especially for large-ticket items, retailers may be more willing to offer additional discounts or perks, like free shipping or bonus accessories, if you ask politely. It might not always work, but it's worth trying to get an even better deal. Shopping online has become the go-to method for many Black Friday shoppers, and for good reason. The convenience and ease of browsing from home can make your shopping experience far less stressful. Shopping online also comes with its own set of strategies you need to implement to truly maximize your savings. First, ensure that you are registered on your favorite retailer's website ahead of time. Having an account set up with your shipping and payment information already stored allows you to breeze through checkout without delays, which can be crucial when deals are time-sensitive. You don't want to miss out because you were still entering your payment info when the sale ended. Next, take advantage of websites that aggregate Black Friday deals. Some websites gather the best deals and provide direct links, making it easy for you to find exactly what you're looking for without wasting time. These sites also tend to rank deals based on the highest discounts, so you can quickly evaluate the best offers. You can also subscribe to their emails for early notifications on new deals. Another important aspect of online shopping is setting up deal alerts. Many websites allow you to set alerts for specific products or categories. This feature notifies you the moment an item goes on sale, ensuring you're always one step ahead of the competition. It's a great way to ensure you don't miss out on discounts for the products you've been eyeing for weeks. Make sure you're familiar with shipping fees and return policies before you commit to a purchase. Some stores will offer free shipping, but others may add extra charges, which could negate the savings from a discount. It's important to factor in these additional costs before making your decision. Return policies can also vary, especially during the holiday season. Read the fine print to ensure you don't face any surprises later. Check for cashback offers. Many online stores and third-party services offer cashback or rebate programs, giving you a percentage of your purchase back. By taking advantage of these programs, you're essentially getting additional savings without having to wait for a discount. Combining these offers with Black Friday deals can provide you with the ultimate savings. The early morning hours of Black Friday can often be the best time to snag the best deals. As much as some people love to sleep in, early risers on Black Friday are often the ones who get the first pick of the sale items. While many stores may have late-night deals or even midnight sales, the true gems are often available in the early morning hours. Why is this the case? Early in the morning, the stores are less crowded, and the shelves are typically fully stocked. Whether you're shopping online or in-store, there's a significant advantage to getting in before the crowds start arriving. This is especially important for high-demand products like electronics, limited edition items, or popular toys. Online retailers also launch sales early in the day, and it's not uncommon for some of the most exciting deals to appear just after midnight or in the early hours of the morning. By being one of the first to shop, you have the advantage of grabbing products before other shoppers even wake up. In physical stores, many retailers will restock their shelves in the early morning, especially on popular Black Friday items. If you plan on being in-store, this is the perfect time to grab those limited items that may not last through the day. The best part? You can usually avoid the long lines and the stressful rush that tends to happen later in the day. If you're shopping from home, online deals often go live at a set time, such as 4 a.m. or 6 a.m. Set your alarm and be ready to click, especially if you have your eye on a specific product that's likely to sell out fast. This approach ensures that you can shop before the frenzy begins, giving you an edge in securing the best deals. One of the best ways to increase your savings on Black Friday is to combine discounts and coupons. Retailers often offer deals on top of their regular discounts, allowing you to maximize your savings even further. While many shoppers focus only on the advertised sales, the savvy ones are stacking their discounts for even greater deals. Before Black Friday, sign up for any store's newsletter or loyalty program that you are interested in. Many stores send out exclusive coupons to their subscribers, which can be combined with the ongoing sales. These coupons might give you an additional percentage off or provide free shipping, two things that can make a significant difference to your final total. There are also websites and apps dedicated to finding and sharing discount codes. While we don't promote any specific tools, many shoppers use these to hunt down the latest codes to save extra cash. Simply enter the code at checkout, and watch the price drop even further. Be sure to read the fine print to ensure that the code works with the products you're purchasing. Another tip for combining discounts is checking for store-specific rewards. Some stores offer loyalty points or rewards for purchases made on Black Friday, which can be redeemed on future purchases. If you're planning on buying items that you'll need later on, such as household goods or clothing, using rewards points could save you even more in the long run. Keep an eye out for deals that allow you to stack multiple discounts. Certain stores allow you to use both a percentage off coupon and a free shipping code. Combining these offers can help you stretch your budget and get the most for your money. Flexibility is key when it comes to Black Friday shopping. No matter how well you plan, things don't always go as expected. Whether it's a last-minute price drop or an item that's out of stock, being adaptable can help you navigate the chaos and still score the best deals. Start by being open to alternative products or brands. If you miss out on one item, don't hesitate to look for a similar product that might be on sale at another store. Often, Black Friday sales include a variety of similar products at different price points, so even if your first choice sells out, you can find something close in quality and style. You should also be prepared for changes in pricing. Prices fluctuate quickly on Black Friday, and what was a great deal this morning might not seem like such a good deal by the afternoon. Keeping an eye on pricing changes can help you make quick decisions about whether to buy now or wait a bit. Whether you're shopping online or braving the in-store crowds, the tips shared in this video equip you with the tools to transform Black Friday into a rewarding experience. By preparing early, leveraging hidden strategies, and staying flexible, you can ensure every dollar you spend works hard for you. Let us know in the comments which secret you're excited to try this Black Friday. These strategies aren't just about scoring great deals, they're about making the entire shopping journey more enjoyable and efficient. And before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on more practical tips, strategies, and insights to elevate every aspect of your life. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping.